Hello all, I am Priya. I have completed my BTech in the year 2023 in the stream of Electronics and Communications with a percentage of 83, and I have joined in Jspiders in the month of October. Here I have joined in the course called Java Full Stack. Here, Java was handled by Sudeep sir, web technology was handled by Pooja ma'am, SQL was handled by Uma Shankar sir, and finally advanced Java was also handled by Pooja ma'am. So I have gained much knowledge here, which helped me to survive in the IT industry. And my special thanks to HR, especially Priya ma'am, for adding me to requirements. And coming to mocks helped me very lot to crack the interview because it is like. Pre-interview, which you will gain a lot about it and you will gain confidence also. Coming to presentations and doings, doing presentations improves your communication skills. So it will also improve your confidence. So by doing this, you can easily crack the interview. So thanks to Jspiders Hepa. Thank you.